Okay, so I may have to come back and give that a try. Hey, things do not look that good. But thankfully it's not one of them ATMs where your card could get stuck. Alright, so we're actually supposed to go on the road in a couple of minutes, but while the guys prepare, this might be a little bit too much echo. Let me come out here just now. Alright, so while the guys prepare, I forget the key card. But I'm going on the road and do some solo traveling. Supposed to go to a supermarket to then so I'm supposed to go to the supermarket to withdraw some crypto from my crypto Visa card. And I thought, why not bring y'all along with me and like kind of show you the process. I ain't gonna show you my pin and all of that, how much my balance is, but I'll show you what's going on. I ain't even know like how much money I can get out of the ATM or how the ATM is work, because so far in Panama all I seen is kinds as their local currency. So I'm not sure if they're gonna give me, I doubt the ATM will give me kinds. But it might give me US dollars. I used the card before, but not at the ATM. So let me see if it can give me US dollars or kinds. Forgot this. All right. So as I'm on that walk to the supermarket, I'm noticing like there's a lot of construction going on in Panama. A whole lot. Like every single soul incarnate, there's a building or something going on. But you know, a while back we had like a chat. Yeah, a while back in one of the videos that I did, we had a little chat where I was talking about the importance of finding a new area, just moving, going somewhere, even if it's for a couple days, spending a week, and do like really pay attention to, oh God, I should have bring my mic. I really should have bring my mic, as is literal construction in every turn, bro. If it's not something being cleaned or maintained, it's something being built from scratch. But anyhow, we had a conversation about like the importance or the benefits of moving to an area where persons don't know you. And to some extent, I didn't even realize how comfortable I feel holding the camera outside. I don't care if persons are watching me, because realistically, I don't know anybody here. No one here, you know, might know me, or even if they do know me, it's not in like a bad way. So I kind of have a lot more courage now. I kind of have a lot more courage now to even walk on the streets or in a public place and just record. And there are going to be people watching, but it don't feel the same. It would not feel the same as if I'm in Guyana, trust me. Them big uncles and big aunties in a minibus, it's crazy work. Construction there, construction there, construction there, construction there. I'm pretty sure if you aim down that way, it's construction. When you look down the street, there's more construction. It's crazy. Guyana is the fastest growing economy in the world, and we ain't even on these people's speeds yet, bro. But yeah, it's true. It's really true though. Once you go to a new environment with people who don't know you, you get to try being a new version of you, like the version of you that you imagine you could be. And you would only be that person if you actually do it. You would never be able to like find the same courage and energy and strength in your hometown, in the place where you grow, where everybody know you. You can be shy. You're not gonna want to do certain things. You can be thinking how they look. While over here, I'm like, man, fuck them niggas, bro. Like, you know, as I speak, people watching me like, and I am like, fuck that nigga, bro. But anyway, we are almost at the, hola. We almost at the supermarket where they have ATMs. I'll be honest with you, I never even push the card in these ATMs. I do this scan to pay thing and it worked fine, but Let me see how the ATM will work. I'ma record it. I ain't even gonna say hopefully nothing bad happens to jinx it, so I'm not gonna say the bad thing, but let me see what's going on. Okay, so we in the mall-like, supermarket-like thing. But I wanna show y'all this. It's one of them flat things that is be at like the airport that is help you move faster in a straight line. But it ain't a slant. So you can either come up or down. Not necessarily basically stairs, escalator, stairs. And you can move a whole lot faster on it if you walk. But there's someone in front, so I'm not gonna walk any faster. Lighting it ain't bad. I being honest with you, bro. Since in Panama, like this camera recording cleaner, or it's just the lighting in Panama works better. I ain't even bring a phone, so I can't translate. But my battery halfway, so I can put y'all in a corner while we attempt to do a withdraw in Spanish. I now realize that it ain't gonna be in an English ATM. Let me see what I'm. Someone arresting up on somebody wheelchair looking like thing real quick and see if this works. So hold on. Okay, so I may have to come back and give that a try. Hey, things do not look that good. But thankfully it's not one of them ATMs where your card could get stuck. It said that the amount that I'm trying to withdraw exceeds the balance, but I know damn well that I have more than that balance in there to withdraw. So when I get my phone on the internet, I'll be able to see what was the reason, because on Red Hat Pay, the nice thing about it is that it kind of gives you like full control. So you get to see what happens, all the transactions, why it was declined, or if it was approved. Or you can even approve the transaction yourself. So when I get back home, we'll see what happens. And if anything, I'll come back later today and give it another try, because I need to make this work. Is the freedom of the cash, bro. I can't just be using the card or sending crypto. And by the way, over here is a very forward society. They use crypto and stuff like that, but not everyone accepts crypto, so you still need cash. Not everyone accepts card as well, so you still need cash. So I need this cash and I need this to work. So maybe if, I don't know, a couple months from now, I venture into another foreign land, I'm gonna be okay knowing that I have that Red Hat Pay card. But yeah, this is the situation. We back home and I'm gonna check the phone and let you know what's going on. Alright, so we're in the supermarket. Let's put this in the corner real quick. I got through at the ATM. I withdrew $50 in total. I don't know if it's $50. And I'm about to buy some stuff for us back at the crib there, just some small stuff. I would actually video it this time, but there had a few persons around and I didn't want them to feel it was anything scammy going on. So, you know, respecting the different cultures. I don't know how people might behave over here with that, but in Guyana people don't take it too light. So I just bring it with knowledge, you know, on the road with me, trying to be respectful. But I can pick up some stuff and then I'll check in back with y'all when we on the road again. I finish picking up some stuff there and we about to check out. So I want to bring y'all along the whole journey, but like I said, the whole culture thing, I just bring like updating y'all every now and again on the whole process. I don't recognize none of this, by the way. Like, we come in here the other day looking for tuna and nothing. Anyways, I'm checking with y'all once I finish at the checkout. Anyways, so them bags heavier than I thought. Sweating. I reach home, but again I pranked the guys and say the car didn't work. So before I go inside, the idea is to prank them and tell them that the crypto card didn't work and I didn't actually get to withdraw any funds. So let me see what they can say. Just left y'all in the car in here since he had facing the way and the man get headphones and ears. You could see the man that listen to music so he can't hear what I'm saying. But I turn this screen backwards so you don't think it's recording. But it's recording now. Go on. Can I go back? Why not? Is that the one? That was really cool. Thanks, man. Okay, we're gonna have a tough time focusing. Initially, I wanted to put you guys on the table, but you can see how blurry the camera is. It's cold outside, extremely foggy, I don't know, and inside was already cold, so it's taking a little while before it clear up. And before I missed the sunrise, which was the whole reason why I came upstairs this early in the cold, let me just, capture it, even though the camera keeps fogging up. I gotta clean it again. Yeah, I still think it's worth it. But another note, we are at day 9 in Panama basically. It's been 9 whole days in Panama and it fly out so quick, to be honest. Time does really fly when you're having fun, but hey, what I could do, eh? I really don't like the quality of this video right now. Can't put any work anyhow. I ain't even bathed this yet. I just got out of bed, brushed my teeth, come all the way up here and, enjoy 5 minutes when the sun was now rising, and then I say, let me record some content, share some with y'all. And to be honest, I could say that I've learned something about myself that I didn't already know, but I already kind of knew that about myself. This trip reinforced that, and I needed the reinforcement. Sometimes you learn something, but you need to still hear it again. And this trip was me hearing it again and experiencing it again. So really, really grateful for this trip. But this time tomorrow, I would need to be at the airport. I should be checked in at the airport and be along the journey of going back to Guyana, where in a sense my real journey continues, and this is still a part of my real journey. It's kind of like a break because I haven't really placed any trades while over here, but it's the other stage in the journey. And before the camera fog up again and all the loud traffic start passing on the road, I'll cut you out here for right now and definitely check in with you as the course of the day go on. And as I remember anything that I might have remembered during this trip, I know it sounds weird, right? Or learned during this trip. So I can bring them in with y'all. was one of the roughest landings I ever had, to be honest. But I think we're out of the tough sky part. It's now just to land on the ground. I'm gonna cut y'all off and probably give you an update when we in the airport.
Chronicle been going on, so Chronicle get more money than enough for them going on right now, bro.
Chronicle is the most streamed artist.
Yeah, bro, I understand why the man is the most streamed artist now.
Let me show you for the Caribbean.
I'm a Vado get more songs than Cardi.
No man, don't do that, man, don't do that. What? No man, you see everybody watching, man.
Okay, and we're back in good old GT. I just edited the video and realized I ain't make no other clips to like y'all know to be back in Georgetown, you know, back in the mud, back in Guyana from Panama. Honestly, the trip was, I can't even find words. Like, it's not that it's life-changing, but it's so vital, so important for me to change my life that I went on that trip. And I got to see the places that I got to see. We got to connect with locals. We get to experience life in what I would consider not a third world country. I don't know if it's first world, but you know, yeah, it was a good trip. Didn't actually place any trades, so now that we're back home, it's 2, 3, 5, 10 times more harder the grind is. You know, I'm just more motivated to go harder, to do things outside my comfort zone, to go out there, to, you know, put in the work, to actually go outside my comfort zone, to pressure myself to go and work harder. So I'm going to be bringing a lot more value for you. I'm going to be doing a lot more videos, a lot more vlogs, a lot more day in the life. I can't say that I'll be doing a lot more trades because I don't know when the opportunity will present itself. But as long as the opportunity presents itself, I'm going to be in that trade and I'm going to bring you the full breakdown of that trade. So, hey, I'm excited. It's the same thing we coming back to. We're back home, we're back on the grind, but somehow I'm excited again. And I am so grateful for that trip, for bringing that excitement, bringing that motivation and inspiration back into it for me. So yeah, I'm excited to be on this journey with you. I'm excited to share with each and every last one of you, and I'm excited that you're here with me. So if you haven't already, please smash the subscribe button, because obviously we got a lot more content coming your way, and hit the like while you're at it, because I'll definitely catch you in the next one. But until then, thank you so much for watching. Peace.
Bye, have a great time.